A definite must while in Dubrovnik is to walk the city walls. The charge is 40 euros, so it is definitely worth purchasing the Dubrovnik Pass, which is also 40 euros, but will also give you access to the museums, forts, as well as city transportation. To get to the first entrance of the walls, come in through the Pile Gate. The entrance is just across from the fountain. Make sure you have your pass ready to go. The walls open at 8, so that is the best time. Not only is it cooler, but also less busy. You can walk on your own or take a guided tour. Dubrovnik's Old Town was originally on a rocky island called Laos, separated from the mainland by a marsh. Over time, the marsh was filled in, connecting the island to the mainland and creating the Old Town as we know it today. Here you get an amazing view of Fort Lavrigenet. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, the Red Keep. Blackwater Bay. This is where the kayak tours begin.
The ruins are from the earthquake in 1767. Guza.
"500 people still live within the Old Town city walls. You can also stay at one of the many bed and breakfasts. There's a nice little restaurant to rest and get a cocktail on the top of the second level. Meet Wally, the wall cat. The clipped ear shows that they have been spayed or neutered. The Hole in the Wall Club, great for cocktails with great views. This is the island where King Richard Lionheart of England was shipwrecked and held for ransom. Here you see the original tiles, more than 700 years old. The East Gate. Well, thanks for joining me on my tour of Dubrovnik's city walls, and for more must-see destinations, please subscribe.